Because it is so unbelievable, the truth often escapes being known. To get everything you want is not a good thing. Disease makes health seem sweet. Hunger leads to the appreciation of being full-fed. Tiredness creates the enjoyment of resting. If you do not expect the unexpected, you will not recognize it when it arrives. No man ever steps in the same river twice, for it's not the same river, and he's not the same man. The content of your character is your choice. Day by day, what you choose, what you think, and what you do, is who you become. Your integrity is your destiny. It is the light that guides your way. Good character is not formed in a week or a month. It is created little by little, day by day. Those who approach life like a child playing a game, moving and pushing pieces, possess the power of kings. Some men are as ignorant of what they do when awake as they are forgetful of what they do when asleep. It is difficult to fight against anger, for a man will buy revenge with his soul. Stupidity is better kept a secret than displayed. Applicants for wisdom, do what I have done. Inquire within. Enjoy what good you have while you have it, and endure and outlast what bad you can't cure immediately. Those unmindful when they hear, for all they make of their intelligence, may be regarded as the walking dead. For those who are awake, the cosmos is one. All men have the capacity of knowing themselves and acting with moderation. Knowledge of divine things, for the most part, is lost to us by incredulity. Dogs bark at what they don't understand. Whosoever wishes to know about the world must learn about it in its particular details. Knowledge is not intelligence. In searching for the truth, be ready for the unexpected. Change alone is unchanging. The same road goes both up and down. The beginning of a circle is also its end.